Hi guys! Kanta tayo ng Golden! For today lang sa atin. Happy lang. Pagkaasal lang natin. For today's video. Kasi start na tayo kumanta mga pinyo. Let's go! Lapit na yun. Lapit na. Of the Lord, how to go, I don't know how to believe. So gonna let to be a little place that April starts, but I couldn't find no place. And a public town is about to war, but I wasn't getting paid. How would you stay? I'm done hiding now. I'm trying to let go of be. We dreaming of making all but now I believe we're going up because mommy, we're gonna be going, really gonna be going. We are boys, come on, just a moment, really gonna be going. I'm done hiding now. I'm trying to let go of be. So every time I feel so like I do but to be. It's so long.